everyone, this is Maurice. Today I'm going to make white and red sangria. Summer is here, so it's a great refreshment for summer. Sangria is really simple. Just add some fruits with some, I bought a pre-mixed sangria. That way it's just really easy. So I have this red sangria and I also have this white sangria. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna cut up some fruits. You're gonna cut it thinly. So I have cut up some lemons and oranges. So some of the oranges that are big, I cut it in half so it would fit my canister. So let's start putting it. I did the same thing with the lemons. Make sure for the lemons to take out the seeds. So this one here, I'm going, these are the ends of the oranges. So what I do is squeeze the juice from the ends of the oranges. Just squeeze that on here. Ooh. Splash my eyes. Now, I have some frozen strawberries, so just use what you have in your refrigerator. So I didn't get the fresh ones. These are big strawberries. Now we're going to put our sangria. I'm not going to put everything on there because I might add some club soda. If you find it that it's too strong or too sweet, you might want to add club soda right before dinner. So you want to let this sit in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours so that it would, the juice from the fruits would infuse with the wine. And the good thing about this canister is that it has a cap. So that's one. Now do the same thing for the red one. Just gonna leave a little bit. check the taste later on. So if it's too strong for me, I might put club soda or a little bit of juice. So now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit for at least 6 hours. Okay, thanks for watching.